Do these things after uploading your videos. This exact thing that I'm about to share has been helping me get hundreds and thousands of views, including my viral video. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 things you must do after you hit that publish that can literally take your video from 10 views to thousands and hundreds of views. And no, this is not the usual use better tags and keywords advice. I'm talking about the real strategy that I personally use to get my videos pushed by the algorithm, even on a brand new channel. So if your video are stuck, not getting the impressions, or YouTube just isn't pushing your content, then you are probably skipping at least one of these things that I'm about to share. And make sure you watch till the end, because the last step is the most powerful and almost nobody is doing it. So if you are interested, let's fix your views starting now. So let's dive straight into the main video. Alright, after you upload your video, the first 30 to 60 minutes is critical. Now this is where YouTube is quietly testing your video, and if you don't send the right signal here, your videos dies. So here is the first thing you need to do: watch your video using a second account. Yes, I know this might sound common. Yes, this sounds simple, but it is a game changer when done correctly. Now, if you have multiple accounts, use your other account, or use your second YouTube account. I mean, not your main one that you are using to watch this video, and watch your video fully from the beginning till the end. Don't skip any part. Let it play naturally like a real viewer. Now, why does this thing works? It works because you are giving YouTube an early retention signal, and retention, which is one of the biggest ranking factors. But listen, don't fake it. If you just click and leave, it won't help. So treat it like a real viewer. But that alone is not enough, because if you don't combine it with the next step that I'm about to share, you are leaving views on the table. Now, the second thing you need to do is to share to your community tab. Yes, most more YouTubers ignore this, and it is a big mistake. Now, right after uploading your video, go to your community tab and post your video. You can even share the link. Even if you have 10 subscribers, 50 subscribers, or you don't have no engagement yet, you don't have any views yet. Why? Because YouTube tracks early interaction signals. Even 2 to 3 clicks from your audience can increase your impression. Tell YouTube your video is worth testing. Now, this is a pro tip I want to give you now. Don't just drop the link of the video, okay? Ask something like, would you click this video? Be honest. Or try to put in a relatable write-up. That's when people see that post, they can be able to read it, and even it will trigger them to click on that video to watch. Now you are trying to trigger engagement. Now here is where most people get it wrong completely. They upload a video, share it, and disappear. Guys, you won't see them again. They will not even reply to comments. They will not even try to engage to make sure that that video picks up, like the algorithm to pick it up. That's exactly how their views don't grow. Now, the third thing you need to do is to pin a comment that sparks engagement. Yes, this is one of the most underrated growth hacks, and I have seen many small YouTubers, they don't do this. Now, right after uploading, go to your video during that watching process and pin a comment. Yes, don't just say thanks for watching or did you find this video helpful. Ask something that forces interaction. Now, for example, now you can say, be honest, would you click this thumbnail? Small creators, gather here. Let's grow genuinely. Small creators, how many views did your last video get? What's stopping your channel from growing right now? Why does it work, and why should you do it? Because the more comment is equals to more engagement, and more engagement is equals to higher chances of being pushed by the algorithm, and YouTube loves active conversation. Yes, when you upload a video and you are conversant, you are active on that channel to reply, to make sure that everything on that particular video is going how it should be. Yes, but even with all these things, if you ignore the next step that I'm about to tell you right now, your growth will still be slow. Yes, this is where most small YouTubers miss it. Now, the fourth thing is to pay attention to your analytics immediately. Yes, after uploading, don't just relax. Go to your analytics and check your click-through rate, if it is increasing or decreasing, your audience retention, how people are watching, if your title and thumbnail is the problem, if people are clicking but leaving early, if your intro is weak. This is how you fix your videos in real time. Most creators wait until days before they do so. Yes, I understand sometimes you can do it and it will work for you, but as small creators, you need to adjust it within hours, within the hours of that testing phase. Now, okay, now this is the last step. This is the one that's changed everything for me, and almost nobody is doing it, and most creators don't know about it. Now, the fifth one is reply to every comment immediately. The moment someone's comments, reply fast, not you waiting for hours later on the next day. Do that immediately. Why? Because this will create the conversations. More reply will give you more activity on your video, and YouTube sees your video like your video is very active, and that is why people are engaging and you are replying. Even if you get just 3 comments, turn it into 15 replies, 20 replies. That is how you multiply your engagement. There is no creator on this YouTube that is not doing it, especially to small creators, because that is what will help your growth to multiply. And if you check my channel, you see that none of my comments that is left under unresponded. So if your videos are not getting the views, it is not just about uploading, it is about what you do after you upload. Start applying these 5 things today, I mean right now, and you will notice a difference in your impression, your clicks, and your overall growth. And if you want to see the exact strategy I used to hit 4,000 watch hours on a new channel, check out this video on your screen right now. Trust me, that video will change how you see YouTube growth. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dara. I help small and new YouTuber grow on this YouTube. We'll talk about everything YouTube growth. So if you are interested to join this community, hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up so that it can get to a whole lot of people. And don't forget to comment which of these strategies you are using or you will be using. Okay, so take a seat there and you are welcome. Enjoy our community. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.